One of the very first financial questions every newlywed asks, should we combine our money or keep it separate? It sounds like a simple banking decision, but it's actually a relationship test.
Some couples swear by keeping everything separate. Others merge it all on day one. So what actually works? Today, we are breaking down exactly what joint and separate accounts mean, the hidden pros and cons of each, and what we ultimately recommend.
Stick around to the end, because I'll also share a book that completely changed how my wife and I approach money together.
For richer or poorer,
We do money together.
for richer or poorer,
Build your life, build it better.
for richer or poorer,
Let's get wise, stay stronger.
for richer or poorer.
First, let's get on the same page. What do we actually mean by these terms? Separate versus joint accounts.
Separate accounts mean exactly what it sounds like. Each of you keeps your own checking, savings, and credit cards in your own name. You stay financially independent, even while married. Income stays divided. Bills stay divided.
Joint accounts, on the other hand, mean you open new accounts together or merge existing ones under both your names. Every dollar that comes in becomes our money. Bills are paid from a shared pool, and both of you have equal access, visibility, and responsibility.
Let's be honest. Separate accounts feel safe at first. You keep your autonomy. You don't have to justify every coffee or online purchase. And if one of you has messy spending habits, it doesn't directly drain the other's account.
But here's the catch. Marriage is a partnership. When you keep finances completely separate, you often end up with hidden scorekeeping. I paid the mortgage, so you cover groceries.
You bought that, so I'm buying this. It quietly turns your marriage into a roommate arrangement with a wedding ring.
Joint accounts, meanwhile, demand transparency. You see every transaction. You make decisions together.
It can feel scary at first, especially if you're used to financial independence or if one of you carries debt. But that transparency is exactly what builds trust.
When both partners are looking at the same numbers and working toward the same goals, money stops being a source of tension and starts becoming a tool for your shared future.
So, what actually works? The answer is clear. Combining your finances is the strongest foundation for a marriage built to last.
For richer or poorer isn't just a vow, it's a financial mindset. Two incomes working toward one goal move faster. Whether it's crushing debt, saving for a house, or building a true emergency fund, a joint account accelerates your progress.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but what if we want personal freedom? Totally valid. The smartest couples I work with use a joint account for all shared expenses, savings, and debt payoff, then set up a small, guilt-free personal allowance that automatically transfers to each of your separate spending accounts every month. You get the unity of a team, plus the freedom to buy whatever you want without checking in. It's the best of both worlds.
Ready to make the switch? Keep it simple. Pick a money merge date. Give yourselves 30 days to gather statements, pay off lingering joint credit cards, and agree on your new system. Open a joint checking and savings account at a low-fee, high-yield bank. Make both of you primary owners.
Automate everything. Set up direct deposits to the joint account, automate bill payments, and schedule those monthly personal allowances to hit your individual accounts on payday. Once the system runs on autopilot, you stop fighting over logistics and start building wealth.
If you're ready to take this step, but aren't sure where to start, I highly recommend picking up a book that's become a roadmap for millions of couples, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. I know his approach is famously straightforward, sometimes even blunt, but that's exactly why it works for newlyweds.
He strips away the confusion, gives you a clear step-by-step plan to get out of debt, build a fully funded emergency fund, and start investing. More importantly, he frames money as a tool for building a life together, not a scorecard. So I want to hear from you. Are you team joint, team separate, or somewhere in between? Drop your setup in the comments below. along with your biggest money question as a newlywed.
If this video helped clarify your next step, hit that like button, subscribe to For Richer or Poorer, and we'll see you in the next one.
For richer,
Or poor, we build it together.
for richer or poorer.
Money talks, love gets better.
Subscribing
Stay close, we're learning this life.
for richer or poorer.
Figuring out love and money right.
For richer or poorer.
Yeah, that's our lane.
For richer or poorer.
Come back again.